Today we're exploring the KOHLER 20000-0 Caxton rectangle undermount bathroom sink, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your bathroom. This elegant sink features a sleek, rectangular design with dimensions of 20 to 1/4 of an inch wide by 15 to 11/16 of an inch long, making it an ideal choice for a modern aesthetic. Crafted from vitreous china, it promises lasting beauty and exceptional durability, ensuring your bathroom remains a stylish sanctuary for years to come. The sink is designed for undermount installation, providing a seamless look that integrates beautifully with your countertop. With no faucet holes, it requires a wall or counter mount faucet, giving you the flexibility to choose a fixture that complements your bathroom's design. Additionally, the basin includes an overflow for added functionality, although the drain is not included, allowing you to select one that fits your personal taste. Upgrade your bathroom with the KOHLER Caxton sink and enjoy the perfect combination of elegance and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.